Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So students, I've taken a very important question. It is based on the concept of maxima minima. So before we discuss this question, let me tell everyone, if you want to receive important notifications on your WhatsApp related to different colleges or different exams, then please fill the form given below in the description. Moreover, students, our WhatsApp group and Telegram group link is also there in the description. Okay, now let us discuss this question. I would request everyone, please pause the video and give this question a try. So in the question, it is given that A, B, C, D are integers and their sum is given as 4. Now we have to find minimum value of sum of their reciprocals. ठीक है, उनके reciprocal का हमें minimum sum बताना है. Now see, there is no need of doing hit and trial. If you think logically, then you can easily find the answer. पहली बात तो अगर हमें मिनिमम वैल्यू निकालनी है तो हमारा एम क्या होना चाहिए? हमारा एम होना चाहिए कि हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा नेगेटिव नंबर्स लें, राइट? बिकॉज वी आर लुकिंग फॉर मिनिमम वैल्यू. नाउ कैन वी टेक ऑल 4 नंबर्स टू बी नेगेटिव? इज इट पॉसिबल? अगर मैं ए बी सी और डी सबको नेगेटिव ले लूं, क्या ये पॉसिबल है? ये बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, because in that case sum would be negative, but sum is given positive, right? So we cannot take all 4 negative numbers. तो maximum हम कितने negative numbers ले सकते हैं? We can take 3 numbers to be negative. ठीक है, maximum we can take 3 negative numbers. तो ये हमारा पहला स्टेप है. यहां से आपको स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन. ओके, now the problem here is which negative number should we consider? Now just take few examples, you will get the logic behind it. मान लो मैंने a की जगह -1 पुट कर दिया. तो अगर मैंने a की जगह -1 पुट किया, मुझे तो मिनिमम सम निकालना है रेसिप्रोकल का. तो अगर मैं 1/a लूंगा तो 1/a की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? -1 का रेसिप्रोकल. -1 का रेसिप्रोकल -1 ही होगा. Let's take some other negative integer. If I take, let's say, negative integer as 2. अब आप इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेके देखो. अगर हम इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, so that would be minus of 1/2. Now you just see which value we should consider, because we are looking for minimum possible value of their reciprocals. तो -1 कंसिडर करना चाहिए या -1/2 कंसिडर करना चाहिए? Obviously -1 is smaller, so it is better to consider negative of 1. Let's take one more example. If I take a is equal to negative of 4, तो इस केस में रेसिप्रोकल कितना हो जाएगा? रेसिप्रोकल would be negative of 1/4. Now students, you can see if we compare these values -1, -1/2, -1/4, इनमें सबसे छोटी वैल्यू नेगेटिव ऑफ 1 है. तो इससे हमें ये पता लग रहा है कि हमें -1 को प्रेफरेंस देनी चाहिए. That's it. Now we are done with the question. Because we can take only 3 negative numbers, so we'll take a as -1, b as -1, and c also as -1. Now obviously their sum is 4, तो d की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? d की वैल्यू 7 हो जाएगी. Now just put the values here in this particular expression. So 1/a की वैल्यू -1, 1/b की वैल्यू भी -1, 1/c की वैल्यू भी -1, or 1/d will be 1/7. So now if you solve it, the answer would be minus of 20/7. Okay, so this is the minimum possible sum of their reciprocal. It's a wonderful question and a very logical question. I hope it is clear to all of you. If you do like the video, then please do share it with your friends and do subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.